The T1001BG is an indoor-outdoor pan-tilt camera. When you receive your camera, you will get the camera, a wall and ceiling mounting bracket, mounting attachment, mount screws, and a user manual. The camera features a 1/3 inch Sony CCD image sensor and views images through an 8mm lens. With a full 360 pan and 90-degree tilt, the camera has the capability to capture everything in its vicinity. The camera is capable of 32 presets, supports both Pelco P and Pelco D, and uses RS-485 communications, 12-volt DC power connection, and BNC video connections. To begin setup, remove the dome cover to access the dip switches. The first 6 are for the address, 7 and 8 are for the baud rate, 9 is for protocol, and the last is to turn RS-485 on or off. Your default setting will be Pelco D, 2400, and an address of 1. Once the dip switch is set, the corresponding settings must be changed within the DVR. To do this, go to the main menu, Devices, PTZ. Change the settings under the column of the channel that the camera will be connected to. In this case, Pelco D, 2400, and an address of 1. Connect your power wire to the camera's RS-485 connections. For the T1001, the purple is positive and the white is negative. Plug in your video and power connections. Next, connect your power wire to the DVR's RS-485 connection. Plug the BNC video connection into the channel chosen when making your settings in the DVR and plug in the power. To set a cruise for your camera, double-click the camera screen to make it full screen. Right-click with your mouse to get the menu drop-down and select the PTZ to bring up the PTZ GUI. Using the arrows, get your camera to the first preset. Select the time you'd like the camera to stay at this point and hit Set. Repeat this process for every stop point you would like. When you have finished, hit Save at the bottom. To start your cruise, exit the PTZ GUI, right-click with your mouse and select Start Cruise. The camera will begin at the first preset. To stop, right-click and select Stop Cruise.